Good morning, students. In yesterday's class, we have learnt chapter number 17 till Baba Amte, right? Now let's see what is the next. We have seen how Baba Amte has done the social working, and with him, who was there to help him? His wife Sadhna Tai. She used to help him, and after that, the work was carried by his sons and his daughter-in-law. Okay, and now the third generation is doing the same work with the help of their parents. And what was the work? He was helping the people who were handicapped, right? See, the people who are handicapped, those who are suffering from leprosy. So this was his social working. Now see the next. Everything that we learn is not taught to us by somebody. Now you know the things which we learn, it is not taught by somebody. Means everything which we learn, it is not taught by somebody. Some things which we learn with the help of the observation. We pick up many things through observation and through exposure. So many of the things we observe other people and we do the same what they are doing. So some things are being observed and also seen in day-to-day life, and we behave the same way. How do our friends speak? So in the schools you also see that how do your friends speak with you. You also learn the same things. What clothes do they wear? You also see the clothes which they are wearing. What games do they play? How do they study? Okay, sometimes we also learn if someone in our class or our friends, if they are studying in the class, we see how the way they are studying, and we also do the same. We pick up many of these things unconsciously. So many times we also begin to behave like our friends. So many a times what happen, we start behaving like our friends. Sometimes we copy them, or sometimes we observe them. How do they behave in the class? How do they speak? How do they learn? How do they study? How do they play? And sometimes we observe the same people and we also do the same. These parents have come from a parent-teacher meeting at school. See what they say to each other. So these are the parents. They are coming from the PTA meeting, and let's see what they are telling. Earlier, Renuka never ate her vegetables. See, this lady is telling that earlier, Renuka means her daughter, she never used to eat vegetables. Now that she has started going to school, she eats everything without a fuss. Now she is telling to them that earlier she do not eat any vegetables. She used to not eat any vegetables, but now she is eating the vegetables. Why? Because she is going to school, she is sitting with her friends, they are eating their tiffin together, and she has started eating the vegetables. Now next, ever since Zoya, Shilpa and Gail have become friends, they ride their bicycles together every evening. I am happy that they all get enough exercise. Now this lady is saying that Zoya, Shilpa and Gail, now they have become friends and they are riding their bicycles in the evening, and because of that they can see that they can do enough exercise. So the mother is happy. Next, ever since Prathamesh has become friends with Salman and Boman, he has started taking a lot of interest in maths. Now he is telling that Prathamesh has become friends with Salman and Boman, and with the help of them he is also taking the interest in learning the maths subject. Next, can you tell what do you like about your friends? What do you do not like? So you have to make a list what you like about your friends and what are the things which you don't like. What would you like to learn from your friends? So what are the things you would like to learn from your friends? We are influenced by other people around us, just as we are influenced by our friends. We meet our neighbors every day for some reason or other. Now we are influenced by the other peoples. We see them, we observe them, we also try to do what are the things they are doing. So we are influenced by the other peoples and also sometimes with our friends. So daily what happens, we meet our neighbors, right? We go to their house, we play with them, we sit with them, we talk with them for some reason or other. We observe their ways of behaving, speech and eating habits from up close. Now as we go to the house, we see the ways in which ways they are behaving, in which way they are talking and which way they are eating. So we observe all these habits very closely. This too has an influence on our upbringing. Okay, now this is also an influence, means that impact also falls on us, on our upbringing. If people from another place happen to be our neighbors, we naturally get to know about their food and festivals. Now in what happens, sometimes our neighbors changed. So if another neighbors come, what we do, we also observe them. We also see what are the food they are eating, how they are talking, in which way they are eating, or what are the specialty in them. So we also enjoy their food, we also see their festivals, so which may be different from ours. So it is not compulsory that if neighbor is changed, the same neighbor, means same festival, same food would be there in your house and in your neighbor's house. No, it may be different, because different religion people have different food, means different festivals. So we observe them and we also enjoy that. This is how we become familiar with diversity. Many of our neighbors know us from childhood. Now many of our neighbors, they know us from our childhood, from whenever we are, from the time we have born, neighbors know us. So they too feel affectionate towards us. So they also feel affectionate, means they also feel good for us, they also like us, so they also love us. We learn some good habits from our neighbors. We also learn good habits from our neighbors too. Our neighbors also influence our upbringing. Like parents, teachers, relatives, friends, our neighbors are also the influencers for our upbringing. Now see here in the picture you can see Pratap. This is my neighbor. He likes to go for walks every morning. So Pratap is saying that he is his neighbor and he likes to go for a walk every morning. I call him Azoba. He calls him Azoba. Sometimes I go to the hill with him. He also go to the hill with him. Now see in the second picture Supriya. Didi living next to us loves to read. So Supriya is telling that the Didi next to her, she loves reading. So she often gives me nice storybooks to read. So she also gives her nice storybooks to read. Next, Hina. This is my neighbor. She is very old. So Hina is telling that she is her neighbor. Okay, and she is very old. Even then she sweeps her front yard. Front yard means जो भी आजू का सामने वाला आंगन होता है, वहाँ पे वो क्या करते हैं, झाड़ू लगाते हैं. एवरी डे विदाउट फेल. शी डज हर ओन वर्क. वो उनका खुद का काम भी करते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ हर आई रियलाइज दैट वी ऑल मस्ट बी सेल्फ रिलिएंट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ हर हीना अंडरस्टूड दैट वी शुड बी सेल्फ reliant. Okay, we should not be dependent on others. We should do our own work. We should do our own task regularly. Like Pratap, Hina and Supriya, have you learned anything from your neighbors? Write about it in your notebook. If you have learned some things, you can write it down in your notebook. Now see what we have learned. The many things we learn as we grow up together make our upbringing. Okay. Our parents and close relatives play an important part in our upbringing. We also learn many things from our friends and neighbors. We learn from the conscious efforts taken to make us good people. We also learn through observation and exposure. So, these are the points which we have learned from this chapter. Okay. Now, you also revise the same. Thank you.